Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a monthly reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of August 2025. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Libra. Overall energy for Libra people for the month of August 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Pentacles. It's like taking a step back and re-evaluating your life, re-evaluating the decisions that you took in your life till this point of your life time, and yeah, again, just waiting and watching and hoping for things to improve by re-evaluating your life and your life's decisions. Okay, nice. Let's see what was happening in the recent past. Tower, something dismantled, something collapsed here in the recent past. Some kind of belief system, some situation, something, maybe connection. Page of Swords, you're keeping yourself at a safe distance and you're learning new things, or at least you're trying to learn certain things. Okay. By the end of this month, we have the Empress, a lot of growth and expansion, and a lot of creativity coming out, and or you trying to tap into your creative side. Let's clarify the Tower in the recent past for you guys. We have the Eight of Swords, the Emperor, and the Ten of Cups. So you got a rude awakening, some kind of belief system or some kind of trap, the mental trap that you were stuck in kind of collapsed, and you were able to take a decision. You were able to sit in your power. You were able to make up your mind. You were able to make up a decision, a choice regarding a happily ever after kind of a deal, or something related to your family or family kind of a dynamic. Hmm? So there was some kind of situation that might include family or a desire to have a family kind of a thing that you were trying to figure out, and then eventually you did that. Something collapsed and you got the clear picture of now it is this situation. Now from this point onwards, I'm going to move like this. We have the Page of Swords currently. Let's clarify the Page of Swords. You are trying to keep yourself at a safe distance from something or someone, meanwhile learning new things, keeping an eye on something. We have, okay, we have lots of cards, so let me reshuffle. We have the Six of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Three of Wands. You are waiting for the time when you will be able to have this successful and victorious kind of energy, when you will be able to get out of this feeling confused and feeling upset about certain situations, certain people, certain things in your life, and when you will be able to completely move ahead in your life, leaving all of this kind of disappointment kind of energy behind you. You are learning how to go ahead and heal properly, let go properly, so that you can have this success and growth and victory in your life the way you want it. So in the past, you got out of a trap, mental trap, where you felt like, okay, now I should sit in my power and make some kind of choice or decision regarding a situation that included a family kind of a situation, and or something related to like creating a family kind of a dynamic. Okay, now currently you are waiting for the time when you will be over a situation that you are still stuck on emotionally, energetically, and you're waiting for the time when you will be successfully able to start something new that you will be able to work on for the maybe rest of your life. Something is keeping you stuck and you're waiting for the time when you're going to get unstuck. The Empress by the end of this month, August. Let's clarify the Empress. We have the Temperance, the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. Hmm. It's like you are patiently again. Right now, also you're waiting, but there's a like hint of impatience. There is a hint of when. By the end of August, I do see you being very, very patient with the whole process of healing, with the whole process of letting go, with the whole process of, okay, let me just step up and feel the pain properly so that I can let go of this, right? So I do see you still holding on to the pain very, very tightly, at the same time trying to release it and heal it properly. But you are going to be patient. You are going to be, with patience, with time, you will be able to understand what's that pain, what's that one situation or one thing that you're still holding on to, and what's stopping your growth and expansion and happiness from coming to you. That is a major realization that you're going to have by the end of this month. And the moment you are going to realize, and the moment you are going to feel that now you have to let it go, the pain, the whatever you are stuck on to kind of energy, you will start healing yourself, and you are going to be very extremely patient with the situation, and then the growth and expansion will start naturally and organically. You are not going to force it, it will happen, because you will start releasing the pain, start releasing something or someone that you're holding on to very, very tightly, and it's not giving you anything good in return. All it is giving you is pain and heartbreak, and a very painful kind of energy of, still you're not able to let it go. I don't know why, what is happening, what is stopping you. The problem here is, you know, there is pain, you know, there is the need to heal, but you're so comfortable with the pain right now that you are living like a robot or a machine, like, okay, this is a part of my life, I can't do anything about it. You are just pretending that this is how life should be, you know. And it's like it has become a belief now that life is full of pain, life is full of betrayals, life is full of heartbreaks, and this is how it is going to be, and this is how I have to evolve, and this is how it's going to have growth and expansion. It's not like that, Libra. This is a limiting belief that you're holding on to, but slowly but surely you will be able to understand that at some point of time. And the moment you are going to realize that you deserve love, you deserve happiness, it should not be, life should not be this painful, you will start healing eventually, and the growth and expansion will start happening organically. Yeah, for you the guidance here is the Magician. You have every tool, everything with you, whatever you want, in order to manifest the life of your dreams. You have the power to make your dreams your reality. For that, you have to, you know, let go of this pain or this heartbreak or this painful experience, or maybe a person or situation that you're holding on to. The moment you're going to release it, the manifestation game will be on. Don't feel like you don't have anything in your hands, you can't create your own reality, you can't manifest, it's too much, it's too painful, it's too that, it's too this. Limiting belief at its best. Something happened in the past that you know, opened your eyes for some time, then you like closed them again. Now still they're closed. Like, something happened, you opened your eyes and you did the right thing, and now you're like, okay, I'm waiting, and by the end of this month you're waiting, but the impatience is going to convert into patience, and this energy of holding on to something or someone tightly is going to convert into finally trying to release them, at least trying to, if not fully releasing them. And the universe is telling you as a guidance that you have every tool, everything, every uh, you know uh, everything available in order to manifest your dream life. All you have to do is you have to stand up and you have to start releasing the pain, start healing properly, and your path is going to, you know, be visible in front of you very soon. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.